indents.
Embed. Copy all of this code and then come back and drop it wherever you want, which is right inside this paragraph. So inside this paragraph, you have end iframe, start iframe, shows you the width and height with which we can change in a second. Maybe you can cut them both in half or cut them both by a little bit if you want to try to fit the video into a certain spot. But as of now, this is set to autoplay. A couple other things going on here, maybe a frame border. If you want a border, you want to increase that number, you can. But as of now, let's just save that and make sure it showed up on our little page here. That video here is going to be gone, and there's the video. So if you want to separate this out just a little bit, just for the sake of the video, and then add in a style border. Oh, what am I in caps for? Border equals, let's say 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid black. Save. Refresh. Oh look, I got a nice little border around there. Might have to put a width around that border, the same width and height as I have right here. If you wanted to add in a width, maybe a little bigger, 600 pixels, and height a little bigger as well, 325 I suppose pixels, and save that. Refresh. Okay, now I have padding, so I can center these two. Let's go text dash align center. Control save, refresh. So it centered it inside the paragraph that we're in right now, inside that border. But if I didn't have any of that going on, if this was just a paragraph and paragraph again, style equals text dash align center. Save, no more border. Aligned right in the center. The header is not, because the header is up here. You can change this to an H1 if you want. Start, end, save, and you can get this thing to kind of come to life. Put the H1 inside your center, so you can just play it. This is how I learned HTML, just playing with things like that. Change it, save it. What happened? Uh-oh, the whole thing messed up. This H1 messed up my paragraph align center, because it's an H1. If that wasn't an H1, if it was just a, well, even if it was a paragraph, it would mess it up too. That would have to be, this would have to change to div and div. And then this would be an H1 and H1 to center everything. No. Text, align, center, div and div. Everything should be centered. I never saved it. There you go. So everything is centered, everything is good. That's how you embed a video and start playing around with it. This whole thing basically just drops around inside your HTML, and you can put it wherever you want. So change the height, save. There you go. Enjoy.